So I'll first tie my hair. Well, not really tie, but like pin my bangs. And yes, nagpagupit ako. Slight trim, and then nagpabangs ako because I just really got conscious with my forehead because it's huge. So anyway, let's start with my brows. The usual, I'm just going to be using this Real Lasting Eyebrow pen from K Palette, which is my favorite. There. And then I'm just using this number 12 spoolie from Anastasia. Oh my gosh, may dumi. And then, ayun. So, eyebrows muna. And don't worry, nag-apply na ako ng toner and moisturizer. So, my face is very clean. Since this is just a online meeting makeup or like work from home slash school from home, classes from home, I'm just making it natural and light as much as possible. And then moving on, I'm going to be using this BECCA Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer. I'm in the shade... OMG, parang nawala na yung shade. Kasi sobrang luma na ito. Pero I swear, hindi pa naman siya like super expired. But anyway, I'm just going to... using this Infallible Pro Matte powder. As you can see, sobrang laki na ng dent because it's my favorite face powder. It just keeps my face matte all day because I'm acne prone and oily. So basically, I'm just applying the powder to my whole face, especially to the ones where the concealer is. There. So now I am going to move on with the blush, which is this one. This is the Glaze Multi-Pot in the shade As If. This is from my online shop in Instagram. So if you guys want to buy this, you can just go ahead and order there. But what I'll be doing is I'll be getting this stipple brush from e.l.f. This is the small stipple brush of e.l.f. I think I got this sa Target when I went to the States. So actually, you can apply the multi-pot using a stipple brush or just simply your fingers. Pero ako, I'm going to use my stipple brush. It's just natural. I like it to keep like my cheeks very flushed and natural lang. Since work from home makeup siya. Oops, yung baby hair ko. Tapos I like to put sa nose ko din. A little bit. I love this blush because it's so buildable and very multi-purpose. So you could put it on your lids as well. So ako, I'm going to use my fingers sa paglagay sa lids. And then now, I'm going to use my bronzer. It's the Milani Baked Bronzer. It's in the shade 09 Dolce. So yeah, it's just it's like a mineralized bronzer. Very shimmery lang. Parang glow with the in. Parang ganyan lang. Very natural. Here, I just got this A-list bronzer brush. Sobrang funny. I shouldn't be even putting so much makeup on my forehead because I have bangs. Oops. So now, I'm going to use a highlight, which is this. It's the Mars Milk Highlighter. It's a stick highlighter. Very cute packaging. It's from New York, Sephora, New York, kasi I bought it there. See, very natural din. Pero light lang siya. here it goes. I like rubbing it lang sa fingers ko, and then I just spread it here. It kind of gives off this like parang very hollow na effect. May parang pagka-hollow. So yun, and then I'm going to enhance my nose with the Milani bronzer again because why not? So this is what I'm going to use for my lips. It's the Sunnies Fluffmatte in the shade Milkshake. So it's just very, very naturally na pinkish brown. There. Tapos, if you guys, I think you guys noticed na hindi na ako nag-eyelash curler and mascara. It's because I had my lashes lifted by Tokyo Glam. Actually, nagpa-home service lang kami, and don't worry, may protocol naman. Like, everyone was wearing PPE, tapos may mask naman sila, and nagpa-swab test naman before going in the house. So yun, parang I just got this, I think at around 1,710 pesos because they have 10% off promo during the home service nila. So, ayun, this is the look. It's very fresh lang and ready for online classes or Zoom meetings. Work from home look. So yeah, this is the look. You guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. See you in the next one. Bye!